And now I can optionally deregister if I wanted to. I'm going to just show you how to do that really quick. So I'm going to do this midnight shell, and that's going to take me to this midnight node container, which I registered in. And let's try deregistering. So if I do midnight node, deregister, that midnight node wizards, deregister. And then I have to put the path to my payment key file, which would be data priv reaver fleet. Wallet reaver fleet and payment key. Path to my cold key was data priv pool reaver fleet, and then gold.v key. All right. Ogmios protocols HTTP. Correct endpoint for my Ogmios host, Ogmios port, looking good. And running this deregister command will submit that deregistration and will remove you from the committee.